Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we will explore the top 2006 United States 1-cent coin, penny, detailed information, general overview. The 2006 United States penny, part of the Lincoln Cent series, features a design that honors President Abraham Lincoln. It is primarily made of zinc and copper, reflecting the transition in coin composition that occurred in the 1980s. Design, obverse, front, image, portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designer, Victor David, Brenner, inscriptions, in God, we trust, liberty, in the year 2006. Reverse, back, image, Lincoln Memorial, inscriptions, United States of America, and 1 cent. This design has been used since 1959 and was replaced in 2010. Specifications, composition, 97.5% zinc, 2.5% copper after 1982. Weight, approximately 2.5 grams. Diameter, 19.05 millimeters. Thickness, 1.52 millimeters. Minting information, mint marks. P. Philadelphia Mint. D. Denver Mint. S. San Francisco Mint. For proof coins. Mintage, Philadelphia Mint. Approximately 2.7 billion coins. Denver Mint. Approximately 3.2 billion coins. Proof coins were produced at the San Francisco Mint, but in smaller quantities. Value, face value, 1 cent. 1 cent. Circulated condition, typically worth face value unless in exceptionally good condition. Uncirculated condition can be valued between 5 and 10 cents or more, depending on the specific quality and demand. Proof coins. Proof coins from the San Francisco Mint can have a higher value, generally ranging from $3 to $5 or more, especially in pristine condition. Factors affecting value. 1. Condition/grade. Graded from poor, P1, to mint state, MS, 70. Higher grades command higher prices. 2. Mint mark. Certain mint marks can be more desirable. The San Francisco Mint S coins are generally more sought after. 3. Rarity and demand. The overall mintage affects desirability. Common coins are less valuable unless they have unique features or errors. 4. Market trends. Prices can fluctuate based on collector interest and market conditions. Collectability. While the 2006 penny is widely available, it may still attract collectors, particularly those focused on Lincoln cents or specific varieties. Coins in uncirculated or proof condition may hold more value for collectors. Conclusion. The 2006 United States penny is a common coin primarily valued at its face value in circulated form. Its worth increases in uncirculated and proof conditions due to collector demand and coin grading.